Okay, question number 11. Okay, so uniform rigid beam of length 3.2 meters is pivoted at its center. Two children sit at the opposite ends of the beam as shown. Okay, and then one child has a mass of 24 kg. This is 24 kg, this is 36 kg, and then the heavier child causes one end of the beam to permanently rest on the ground. Okay, so the beam makes an angle of 20 degree to the horizontal ground. Okay, fine. So all this is given. What is the moment of the weight of the 24 kg child above the pivot? What is the moment of the child? Okay, weight of the child. So towards it, what is the force acting here? The force acting here is like this over here. What is this value? This should be 24 times g, m into g, right? And if I want the moment, what should I do? Force multiplied by perpendicular distance. Which distance is perpendicular with respect to the pivot? With respect to this, what is the perpendicular distance? So this should be the perpendicular distance over here, right? If this is perpendicular distance, let me call this as x because nothing is known about it. So if this length is 3.2, then this is at the center, which means what? This should be 1.6 meter. I want this x here, and this angle is 20. So this angle is 20. This is also known to me. So how do I find x? I can now write cos 20 is equal to x by 1.6 adjacent by hypotenuse, right? So x should be equal to 1.6 times cos 20. We have got the value of x. Now what is it I need? I need to find the moment. Moment of the force is equal to 24 times g multiplied by this x. What is the x here? Multiplied by 1.6 into cos 20. Okay. So now what we will do is we will substitute all the values. It should be 24 into 10 into 1.6 into what's the value of cos 20? Let us find out that value also. So I have cos 20 here. I'll write 20 and what is cos over here? Cos, where is cos here? Cos is here 0.9369. 0.9369. When I take all these values and find out what is the total value, multiplied by 1.6 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 24. Okay, I did it in the reverse way. Okay, I show you this one multiplied by 1.6 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 24. When I do all this, I get the answer as 360.84. 360.84. 360.84. Is any idea, is any of the value nearby? 350 is nearby. So this should be the right answer. Why 350 and why I have got 360? If you ask me, I have taken the value of g to be 10 over here. Maybe if I had taken 9.8, I would have got the correct answer. If you want, you can try it out also. Okay, this is with g equal to 10. If I want with g equal to 9.8, we calculate that also. It doesn't take much time. Calculator only does it, right? So therefore, this should be 24 multiplied by 9.8 multiplied by 1.6 multiplied by 0.9369. When I do this, I get 352.57. 352.5 or 6 over here, which is nearly 353, and here taken this as around two significant figures, which should be 350 over here. The two significant figures, which is 350 over here. Okay, thank you.